When it comes to property management software, PropMix has a lot to offer. But before you buy, there are 12 things you need to know. These insights will help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs or if you should look at other options on the market. First off, PropMix offers a comprehensive suite of tools, from rent collection to maintenance requests. It's an all-in-one platform, which means fewer third-party integrations compared to other options, saving you time and hassle. However, the trade-off is that its learning curve might be steeper than some of the simpler competitors like Rentec Direct. Next thing to consider, customer support. PropMix does provide 24/7 support, which is great, but many users have reported slower response times compared to other leading software in the industry. So, if fast customer service is crucial for you, it's something to keep in mind. The third thing to note is the pricing structure. PropMix offers a subscription-based model, which can be flexible for some users, but might not be as cost-effective for larger property managers when compared to flat-rate competitors. It's a good idea to run the numbers and see if it fits your budget. Fourth, PropMix boasts a user-friendly mobile app, allowing property managers to access their accounts on the go. However, some users have found the mobile experience to be glitchy at times, which could be a deal breaker if you're heavily relying on mobile management. Fifth, PropMix is very customizable, allowing you to set up different workflows and automation. While this is an excellent feature, if you're someone who needs something quick and ready to go without much setup, you might find competitors like AppFolio more appealing due to their simpler interfaces. Sixth, the property listing feature is solid, but not as advanced as some of the top competitors. While you can list properties directly on their platform, the exposure might not be as wide compared to services like Zillow, which is integrated seamlessly in other management platforms. Next thing to keep in mind is reporting and analytics. PropMix offers a decent range of reports, but lacks the depth that other platforms like Buildium provide. If you're someone who relies heavily on detailed financial reports, you may want to look elsewhere. The eighth thing to know is the integration options. While PropMix integrates with a few third-party services, it's not as extensive as competitors like Propertyware, which can connect with a much wider range of tools. Ninth, tenant communication is streamlined within PropMix, allowing easy messaging and updates. However, some users feel it lacks some of the advanced communication tools found in other systems, like automatic follow-ups and notifications. 10th, PropMix's lease tracking feature works well, but again, it's not as robust as what you get with other software like Tenant Cloud. If you manage multiple leases, the lack of in-depth features might slow you down. 11th, the maintenance request feature is simple but efficient. You can track maintenance issues easily, but the lack of features like vendor management could be a downside if you manage a lot of properties. Finally, PropMix's scalability. If you're just starting out with a handful of properties, it's a great tool. But if you plan to expand quickly, you might hit some limitations. Other options, like Propertyware, offer more scalability for large-scale property management. So, is PropMix worth considering? It's a solid choice for smaller property managers who need a straightforward, all-in-one solution. But if you want something that's more customizable, offers better reporting, or has stronger mobile and integration features, it might not be the best fit for you. If you're looking for a better solution that offers more flexibility and scalability, check out our recommended alternative, an option you can try for free.